Welcome back to Pluto Comedy. Today we are going to animating a butterfly using Moho. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned. You can comment, bring your own objective, your own opinion on how to do it more better, so we can learn from what we are doing using Moho. Instead of drawing frame by frame, we are going to use Moho as our drawing bits, our our software instead of drawing frame by frame because I don't really like drawing this frame by frame. So just stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please click on the notification button to get an update. This month, we are going to be doing challenges on posting different characters drawn or Moho. So stay tuned. So the first thing we are going to do right now, we'll move back to this. We'll be using this picture as our reference. This white picture. So we'll click on it. Okay, we'll reduce the opacity of this. Double click on it. Okay, we'll reduce the opacity to 50% so that we can see what we are doing. Reduce the opacity to 50%. So the first thing we are going to do now is to draw the wings of the butterfly. So which one are we going to use that is very close to what we need? Okay, let's start from the left hand side. So the first string, let's rename it as first wings so far. Let's rename it as first wings so far. We're going to rename it as first wings. So starting from there, first thing to do right now, our positions. Okay, our positions to the shape X control. Just press your X shape. You draw each. We'll be drawing the first wings from there. We're going to duplicate it to get the second wings. The remaining two wings, A to add point on it. So that was it. Okay. Just if you don't know how to do this, I created some video based on this on how to draw customized characters. You can go and check it. So this is what we'll be doing. Okay. Sorry for that. Just double click on it. Press okay. Okay. It's not hard. Just just matter of time you'll be able to do it. So we'll be walking through this process. I haven't done it before actually, so I just let me give it a try and also share my experience, my monthly challenge experience with my subscribers. So let's create another vector layer. Come back to the down wings, let's say second wings. Okay, second wings. Okay, there's an arrow here. Let's correct it. Okay, move here to here. Okay, X double draw with our shape. So if you don't really want to draw using drawing each frame, that's the best software you can get for it using Moho. Moho is the best software for that if you don't want to draw frame by frame. Okay, just stay tuned while we go through the process. Stay tuned while we go through the process of everything. Just stay tuned. Okay, still trying to get the wings. It's not something hard. You can do it. Just keep encouraging yourself. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Those are the two wings from our reference. The first wings is on top, so let's take the second wings down. So we're done with that. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to group this into section. The shift, what I just did was shift click the other one, you left click, right click, you'll see group with section. That's group those two into one section. So we'll rename it let's rename it front wings. Okay, that's it. Now we'll come back to this place. Our main position, you can say, okay, that's done. So the next we're going to do, we're just going to duplicate this since it's actually the same wing. So we're going to duplicate, okay, so that the two wings already made. From our reference point, we're seeing that the first wing, the front wing, there's a back wing and a front wing. There's a back wing, you can see, and there's a front wing. So let's take it down. So we've done it. So from our reference, we can see some little difference with it. So what we're going to do right now is to open this down wings, the second wings, not the first wings. Let's work on the first wing and see the difference. Okay, T, just use your handle to correct that. We'll come to the second wings. Okay, okay, those are the two wings already made. So let's rename this as the back wings 2. So what is left now? We're left with the body and this antenna eye. So let's create it. We'll create another vector layer. Let's target body. Always learn how to rename your work so that you won't get confused. Okay. So this is what we're going to do with it. Create a new shape with it. Create a new shape with it. Okay, I just got an error message. You can see what I did to the last wings. I make it small because I'll be making use of it. I'll make it small. So what is left now is the body. So we'll move the body following what is on the reference. Let's see if this reference is actually really right. Mind you, I've not done it before. This is my first time to animating a butterfly. I find it interesting. I've animated so many things, but not a butterfly. Okay, so let's go to the first ones. Let's readjust this part to see the outcome. Readjust this part to see the outcome. Okay, why taking the upper wings? Now we can get some clearer view of how it's going. Okay, okay. Now the body, this part of the body have to be adjusted. So let's take it from there. Take it T. Okay, you can just see what I just did. Okay, we don't need to adjust it more than that. So I will just take only the front name here, then take it off, then from here, take it down. Yes, okay, we're there. From there, okay, that's the third one. We're left with 2 points. So let's see what we have done so far. Let's see what we have achieved so far. Okay, we're left with 2 points. So let's go back to our reference image. back to zero, come back to our main line. Okay, take it back. Okay, that's the fourth one. That's the fourth action we're going to create. Okay, that's the fourth action we're going to create from there. So click on the flex wings, second, third. So let's give it 12 frame. Okay, okay. So that's it. Take X to readjust your wings. Come back to the second wings. That's what we're going to do. Come back to the second wings. Okay. Now we go back to this point. Okay. Just a gradual process. Don't rush yourself. With time you'll be used to it. With time you'll be used to the work. With time you'll be used to your mouse. Most time I use mouse to draw. If you know you cannot achieve a graphics tablet, you can't get a graphics tablet, you can get a mouse and we'll still do your job for you, but it's a little bit stressful. Okay, still working on that. Still working on that. Okay, still working on that. Okay, now we're at the body. I guess all there's one that is very fast. Let's see the outcome first. Going to go down, just following what is there. Mm, reduce it. So let's go to the first swings. Let's correct our mistakes. Okay, okay. It's the second wings. No, from the first swing there's a mistake here. Okay, the second wings there's a mistake here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we are done with that. Left for the last two man. Mind you, I increase my framing to 48. I just want to see how slow it will be, how beautiful it will be. I can also make it fast by editing my timeline. So that's just the first butterfly we're doing. Okay, so move it to the last but not the least. Let's see what we got here. Let's see how we're going to do it. Okay, first let's start with the body because this place is a little bit tricky. Let's start with the body. Let's start with the body of the butterfly. Let's start with the body of the butterfly. Start with the body of the butterfly. Then start with each of the wings. Oh, there's an arrow. Did you just see that? Did you just see that? There's an arrow. Most times it happens. So come back to this point, then come back to here. See, I was wondering, what is going on here? What happened to our butterfly? Why is it not moving? Okay, now we should be going back to the frame we started with. The frame we started with was with this frame now. Let's try something if it's going to work. Control C. Come back to this frame. Control V. Did it work? Did we get it right? This is Control F now. Control C. Control V. Did it work? So I will know if it works. If it does not work, we'll repeat it. Okay. Okay. Control C. Control V. Control. So Control C. Control V. Okay. Control C. Control V. So let's see what we have done so far. Let's correct our errors, the in-betweens. Okay. Okay, play it. Let's see. Now we are done with it. We are going to edit everything by starting from this point. Going to work on everything to 6, 12. Start from the body. 18, 24. So that's what we'll be doing. Like what I said, it's very possible. The first wings 6, 12, 18, 24. The second wings 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay. Third. Okay. Taking that. This. 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 this, and this. Okay, first try of our butterfly so far. You can see it. You can see the try of the butterfly. So let's work. Let's see what we can do towards it to make it more okay. Okay, let's go gradually, starting from here. You can see there's a little bit. Okay, let's take it. Oh, right. Okay, okay. You can see. Okay, we just work on some. This is a basic place for adjustment. We just have to adjust it a little bit. So let's take some of these things down. Okay, we come here, we take it down. Okay, come here, we'll take this thing down. I was trying to create that impact. Okay, so we come here, try to create such impact of it. Trying to create such impact of it. Okay, try to create such impact of it. Okay, as better, good, better, best. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this. Using Moho. Yes, our work is based on Moho. Okay, can you see? So, what we actually told from the reference is what? Right. I will mark it right. So that reference is not wrong. But we'll try more of this on this channel this month. February is our month of challenge, creating different animated characters from beginning to scratch. Please subscribe to get more videos like this. Just subscribe. You will regret subscribing to this channel. We update you constantly. Just subscribe. Invite your friends to come and see. We didn't use any single bone here. Everything was animated from layers. So I guess someone might ask, okay, now that I've activated this action, how am I going to use it in a movie script, right? Okay, I'm going to show you something important now. I'm going to show you something important. You see this? I want to make it unique. I want it to be a repeated cycle. So I come back to this place, create a cycle from it, increase it to this. Each of those wings I created, I'm going to turn the last line to a cycle line. Okay, each one, watch what I'm doing. Cycle, please. The two, start from two. Okay, the last one, cycle, start from 2. Cycle, start from 2. It should be a cycle format. Cycle, which means repetition, start from 2. So let's see what it's going to give to us. Okay, perfect. Now this is what we are going to do. We are done with it. We are done with our creation of butterfly. If you still want to go further, you can color it. So let's just do a little bit of coloring. So I'm going to choose pink for this butterfly. I actually like pink color. Mind you, I'm going to do something tricky right now. No, next time we're going to make it more beautiful. Okay, okay, let's choose let's choose purple. Let's choose purple, a little bit of purple. Okay, come back to here. Okay, so let's just choose purple. Oh, purple. Let's make it just colorful. Purple and yellow. Okay, to create a unique color. Purple and yellow. Why this will be what? This will be let's just say black. So we are done. Guess what? We are done with our butterfly. No much wasting of time using frame by frame. We are done with it. We can take this thing out. Right. Okay. Take this as what color again? Right. Okay. Thank you very much. We are done with our butterfly. So let's get it to work. Come back to your main action line. You click here. Okay. Control F. Then click here. Control F.